Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss. So you guys currently see my hair. It is freshly washed, and this video is more so for my sisters out there that have medium to fine hair strands, and you're currently rocking locks. You want locks, but you don't like how thin it looks or how flat it looks. So me, for example, so my head seems so flat, but I think I got a hairstyle that'll work for us. So today's hairstyle is going to be what I call the water waves. This is not anything new. You've seen a lot of people here on YouTube who does the water waves, and I'll get more into that shortly. So basically what I'm trying to do is determine how I want to style my hair, because based on how I want it to sit will all depends on preparing for it. So I do want like a slight swoop, not necessarily a swoop, but I want some to hang more over to one side of my face versus the other. Ugh. So, okay, enough about that. So this is how I want my hair to be styled. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. So whenever you see me kind of lean down, that's just simply because I'm wetting my hands and I'm applying water. So this is why I call it water waves, because I'm only using water to accomplish the look that I'm going for. So basically what I've done is gone all over throughout my hair, and I've applied twists. So as you see here, I'm doing the bang in twists, and I got one more little bit of hair left that I'm going to twist as well. So as you notice, I'm twisting my hair at an angle. Again, this is so that I can ensure that my style is set to fall in the way that I want it to look. So this is the last of it here. And y'all, like I said, this is just such a struggle when you don't have thick strands or full hair. You just always have the illusion of having flat hair, and I can't stand that. It turns me off to the max. I'm hoping as my locks get longer, things will look a lot better. So, okay, so next what I'm going to do is go in with the bobby pin, because I need to kind of pull my hair back just a tad bit out of my face so that I am able to go to work. So the bobby pin the last side down, and the only thing I'm going to do is go in with a silk head scarf, and I'm just going to put that baby over my head, okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and get my work day started. So the amount of time that you probably want to let it sit, especially if you don't use heat, so maybe let it air dry about 3 hours. But for me, I let it sit for 8 hours to ensure that my hair was totally dry. So now what I'm doing is going in, removing the bobby pins, and this is what my hair looks like dry. And I'm going to remove the bobby pins from the other side. And this stuff is self-explanatory, you guys. I'm just going to go in and I'm going to unravel the twists all throughout my hair. As you guys can see, excuse me, my hair has some shape to it, and that's exactly what I'm going for. So the whole purpose of the waterways is just so that it gives me more volume, so that my hair won't look totally flat. It's the weirdest thing. It just seems like the side of my head, my hair is a little bit fuller versus the back of my hair. It appears not to be as full as my sides. It is the craziest thing. I do not have a better way to explain it. But anyway, so we're almost done here. I'm still removing the twist. Although I have locks, you guys, it's so simple to just unravel the twist. It takes a hot second. So near the end, taking out these here at the top and the front towards the side, here is what this looks like after you take everything down. So I'm not gonna lie, I definitely like the look, but it's still not as full as I would have preferred. I have not been applying gel on my edges, so I needed to just those edges, but I'm just trying to hold out. Here's the final outcome. You guys, this is not necessarily for the style, but it's more so for you guys to see the water waves. And look at that definition. No heat, no product, all water. So anyway, I hope you guys give the water waves a try if you haven't already. I hope you let me know down in the comment section that you have done this. And I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches.